Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making Console the hub. Sign into the Game Pass account on Console A, then set it as your home Xbox so other profiles can share the subscription. Once done, make sure Console B and any additional consoles are updated and online. This prevents activation conflicts. You do this now because home Xbox controls license sharing, so setting it correctly avoids needing to re-download or reauthorize games later. Next, add the same Game Pass account to Console B or sign in temporarily just to download the games. Once signed in, download desired titles to Console B's storage from the full library. Downloads carry the license tied to the home Xbox. Make sure you check My Account for active subscription status. This confirms licenses will validate locally. Also verify install locations and storage space so downloads complete without interruption. Finally, manage how often you change the home Xbox. Frequent switches trigger temporary locks, so plan transfers carefully. If a shared game won't launch on another console, sign into the master account there for a minute to validate the license, then sign back out. This often fixes permission issues. If problems persist, restart both consoles and check network settings and NAT type, because connectivity can block license checks. That single troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.